Now the other reforms are also made under liberalization, that is financial sector reform. Financial sector reforms are made for the financial sector, that is in this financial sector reforms there will be the change in the role of RBI. RBI, you know, previously it was known as the controller, and now the role of the RBI was changed from controller to facilitator. Previously, RBI is known for only controlling money supply or controlling other banks, other nationalized banks. But now the role of the RBI was changed. Now RBI is also known as a facilitator. Now many types of decisions RBI has given commercial banks to take their own decision according to the requirement of the banks. Now next thing is that origin of private banks. Under liberalization, many new private banks were started, that is ICICI and other private banks are started, so that it will give more benefited customer services, and it will also provide loans at very cheap rates. Next is increase in the limit of foreign investment. Now the limit of foreign investment was increased, that is 51%. It was increased that a person can invest in the foreign banks or the foreign institutional banks. And easy in expansion process. Expansion process were also make easy, that is for expansion of banks or other financial institutions. Now there is not required to take the permission from the RBI. RBI has given permission that they can take their own decision regarding the expansion of branches or expansion of banks in other areas. So these are the reforms made for the financial sector reforms. जैसे कि आरबीआई का रोल चेंज हो गया. आरबीआई का रोल जो था कंट्रोलर से, अब आरबीआई सिर्फ कंट्रोल ही नहीं करती बल्कि आरबीआई इज आल्सो गिविंग facilities to the banks, to the customers, etc. And many private banks were started. Increase the limit of foreign investment. Foreign investment की लिमिट को भी बढ़ा दिया गया ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट हो सके. That is the limit was increased to 51%. Easy in expansion process. एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस को भी और इजी बना दिया गया है. अब देखिए, अब जहाँ पर जिस बैकवर्ड एरियाज में, यहाँ विलेजेस में देयर इज नो ब्रांचेस ऑफ बैंक्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं थे, अब जगह जगह बैंक्स की ब्रांचेस खुल गई हैं, बैंक्स के फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस खुल गए ताकि लोगों को और ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज प्रॉपरली प्रोवाइड कर सके. तो ये जो सारे रिफॉर्म्स है, दीज आर द रिफॉर्म्स that made for the financial sector. It is known as financial sector reforms, and these reforms are started under liberalization. Next reforms are made which are known as tax reform. Tax reforms are made for make the taxation process very easily. You all know that taxes are of two types, that is direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax, you know, income tax is the direct tax which is levied directly upon the person's income, and indirect tax are the other taxes which are not levied directly upon the person, that it can shift to some other person also. There are so many indirect taxes which now become known as GST. अब जितने भी indirect taxes थे उनका नाम हो गया GST, that is goods and service tax. And tax reform also there are many changes like reduction in taxes के रेट्स को कम कर दिया गया. देयर विल बी डिडक्शन इन द टैक्सेस सो दैट पीपल कैन डू पे टैक्सेस प्रॉपर्ली, एंड देयर इज अ वॉलंटरी डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ इनकम. दैट इज, पहले जब टैक्स के रेट बहुत ज़्यादा थे तो लोग टैक्स की चोरी करते थे. एवेशन ऑफ टैक्स नाउ विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. अब लोग अपनी इच्छा से अपनी इनकम को बता करके टैक्स पे करते हैं. दे आर थिंकिंग दैट दे आर इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू पे द टैक्सेस, एंड टैक्स एवेशन नाउ कैन बी स्टॉप्ड बाय रिड्यूसिंग द टैक्स रेट्स. अब टैक्स रेट्स इतने मॉडरेट कर दिए गवर्नमेंट ने कि इजीली people can pay the taxes. Reforms in indirect taxes. Indirect taxes, maybe they have made several reforms, and even there are several indirect taxes which now they become known as GST, goods and services tax. And also in GST there are several reforms are made, just like that more taxes will be charged on the luxuries items and less taxes or no taxes in the necessary goods. Then simplification of process. Taxation process will be made very easily. Now people can understand how to pay the taxes, and tax evasion will not be done. And this taxation process will make so simplify that everybody can understand, everybody can feel that the responsibility to pay the taxes. So these are the reforms which are made for the tax reforms. They are made for the paying the taxes properly to the government. So ये जितने भी reforms बने थे ये सारे liberalization में बने थे. That is, we have made several things liberal. Freedom from so many restrictions. Liberalization, you know, that is the freedom from restriction. So they have made freedom in industrial sector, so which is known as industrial sector reform. The freedom is made for industrial financial sector also, so it is known as financial sector reform. And several restrictions was removed from tax structure also, that is tax reforms was that people can understand the tax reform.